My country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Saga don't come out, come call out Khalid over alleged debt where we say the guy they owe him. And also, congratulations to Sheggz on his new ambassadorial deal. So of recent, Sheggz don't bag deal with itel company. When they say make people cut their coat according to their size, Sheggz na one of them. The boy just dey mind im business, e no allow pressure from online push am to go do wetin e no suppose do. E concentrate on im hustle, continue to dey apply. Abi una one time e talk say na only itel na the guy don apply for. Im go don drop proposals for different companies wey be say go don reject am, but im continue to dey apply. So na big congratulations to him because one, he's a big ambassador for Bet Naija, and now itel. So na something wey im suppose dey proud of. So a big congratulations to Sheggz Olu. So onto Saga matter with Khalid. During a match this year 2024, Labour don first come out to come call out Khalid, where she come and come tag the boy, come say don't effing push me to the wall, your last warning. So she no come out come talk the thing, how the thing be. If na Fina go give us the detail, she go give us the breakdown of wetin really dey sup. But Labour just come out come tag the guy, call am out. She no point finger to tell us exactly wetin Khalid do. And so today Saga come out with the full chest, tag Khalid, come tell us wetin Khalid dey do wey be say dey pain am. So I go first give una the small gist of wetin Khalid do wey be say dey pain Saga before I go come out come show una the comments wey Saga throw to take drag the guy online. So after the Big Brother Naija level up season that time when Khalid come out, Khalid don from wetin we dey hear, allegedly im borrow money from Saga. He say he wan use am take rent e house. According to Khalid dey say na loan. He actually loan the money. He actually collect the money as loan from Saga. The boy claim that time to say he get issues with his bank app, and he need the money to take rent the house, which was 24 hours. Na 24 hours now he give the Saga say he go pay back the money. 24 hours don pass, e don dey 4 months. When be say Saga call the boy go dey avoid the calls. So the thing don too pain the guy, and from wetin we dey hear, no be only Saga, Khalid don do that type of thing. Dey owe other people too. Him go dey use lie, dey collect people money, e no go dey pay them back, e go dey post them. So Saga don tire to dey tell the boy say pay me my money, pay me my money. He come out today, come publicly call the guy with the full chest. So Khalid first of all come out, come put out an advert where they do one promotion for one app like that. I no go put the app name, I cover am. So he come say with at blah blah blah, you don't need to worry about ever being late for future appointments with their scheduling feature, which allows you book rides 30 days in advance. You are sure to be where you need to be when you need to be there. Come put emoji where wear eyeglass. So immediately na Saga go under that he post for the comment section, start to the drag am. Come out, come say, honestly bro, I'm super disappointed in you. You are a liar and a literal thief. I don't know what else to do to get you to pay me the money you took from me. Come put the pay me in capital letter. That pay me, once person write something in capital letter, I mean say the person dey shout. Saga no see stop for there. Saga still go Twitter, go continue to dey drag the boy by ear. He come say, pay me the money you took from me, Khalid. It's been 4 months. I'm speaking for myself and every other person, which means Khalid is a serial debtor. So BBN fans come open space now, come dey talk say Khalid suppose pay Saga. Why some people dey say the way Saga take come and come call the boy a thief, say the thing no make sense like that, all those type of thing. So make we just see some comments. The first person here say Khalid has been owing a labor. She called him out one time. Haters, especially Spartalos where they talk about Narcissi fans, come say said she was lying, that she was chasing clout. Some even said she was sleeping with him. Open spaces and he shorted her. Now Saga has called him out for the same thing. They now believe yeye people. Another person come out come say, I understand that the show exposes these guys to a certain lifestyle, but they are adults first of all, and I would expect them to be sensible. I remember a story about Saga himself after Shine Your Eye and how he couldn't afford his rent, and now he's found his feet. I believe borrow sense. E dey good say before anybody dey enter Big Brother show, e go good make you get something tangible wey be say you dey do before you enter. As you come out from the house, you continue to dey do that thing. Take for instance Brian, Lekon, V, they were all musicians, and you see say they go back to singing. Sheggz on the other hand, as im football career don fail, you see say the boy im go hustle for Bet Naija influencing work. You see say im dey push himself. Bisola, before she enter Big Brother house, she was an actress. You see say she come out, she continue. Venita, she was an actress before she enter Big Brother house. You see say she come out, she continue. Pere as well was an actor. You see say im come out, he continue. Even as a person wey be say maybe as man say you no get work before you enter Big Brother, as you come outside you don already get the platform. No be everybody go dey famous after they come out from Big Brother house. Create a niche for yourself. You know, if you become content creator, look at Elo Swag. You know, say no get fans, but you see the boy dancing on social media, creating content for himself. BB Naija fans no go feed you for the rest of your life. Na just the honest truth. Time will come, they will get tired. They will move on to the next superstar wey come out from the show. So all these housemates they go learn to not dey carried away. Now wey be say everybody dey call out Khalid say they owe them, I don't know wetin him go do. Those of us wey watch Saga for the house, Saga dey compassionate. You know, go just come out to come call out person like that. So with everything, as people they drag Saga, they drag the Khalid, say Saga not supposed call out Khalid the way he do. He can't delete the post, can't come out, can't post another one. He can't say the truth is a lot of people abuse kindness for superiority, and I hear it when I am looked at that way. Make this Khalid don dey pay me be say Khalid get handwork. Oh. He's a very good artist. He dey draw. Khalid go inside Big Brother house instead of this boy to promote e drawing, him go there carry a brocos. Na Daniela use the brocos dey wipe every night. Imagine that type of thing. Now you have come out of the house, nothing to show for it. Instead of you to concentrate building your brand, you dey borrow people money without paying. I no dey like person wey be say dey borrow money, no dey pay, and a lot of people dey fond of that thing, especially when they collect from loan companies. You see them, they will not pay back. But tell them say pay money, they go dey tell you to say do your worst. By the time when they do the worst, you can't come out dey cry say they do you wrong. Whereas now you tell us me they do their worst. BB Naija children and debt na 5 and 6. Una take care, una bye.